this happens unintentionally. මොකද intention කියන්නේ? intention කියලා කියන්නේ හිතාමතා දැනුවත් භාවය. unintentionally without knowledge, right? Automatically happens, unintentionally happens. Something like when a sudden situation, in a sudden situation, when you see something, a disaster may be, මොනවා හරි අපි හිතමු කොටියෙක් එළවගෙන එනවා කියලා. කොටියෙක් මේ පැත්තට දුවගෙන එනවා. පිස්සු බල්ලෙක් එනවා. අපි හිත ඉන්නවා ආර කොටියෙක් නේද එන්නේ, දැන් අපි මොකද කරන්න ඕන, දැන් කොටියෙක් එනකොට අපි දුවන්න ඕන නේද කියලා හිතලා දුවන්නේ නැහැ. When you see the danger, we react. Right? That happens automatically. එතකොට ඒ threat එකකදී ඒ වගේ අපි react කරනකොට with the anger also, the anger controls our brain, our mouth, our hands, everything. So unintentionally happens. The anger driven actions unintentionally happens because of this impulsive anger. ඔන්නෝක තමයි point එක. Most of the questions depend on this. How human emotions bring disasters, how impulsive anger can result on adverse effects. ඔය වගේ තමයි question අහන්නේ. 90% questions එන්නේ on this impulsive anger. Right? So that's why he says, he accepts, yes, it's my hand, my knife, but not me. I did not want to kill my brother. Because of my weakness is my anger. The anger killed my brother. So, we'll sweat no more. I don't trust this person anymore, my hand. I don't work with him. Why? This tragedy, actually this is a tragedy. This tragedy happens because of this one. He's the one who killed my brother. So I am not going to work with this one anymore. I don't work with him. We'll sweat no more. Why? I cannot trust him. How can I trust him? On sight and rake. Sight. Reaping the harvest. Sight. And rake. These are tools. The knife කියන එක tool එක. But it has been used as a weapon to kill. Then මෙයා trust කරලා ආයි මෙයාට දුන්නොත් ඔය වගේ එකක්, he will do the same. So I don't trust him. So we will not sweat anymore. We are not going to work with sight and rake, with weapons. I don't touch any weapon after this. Simply. The simple idea. The narrator says, I'm not going to touch any weapon. That he confesses. He repents. He repents. Now he feels sorry for what he has done. He repents over his action. So we'll sweat no more on sight and rake. We are not going to work anymore. I don't trust this. My bloody hands and I. I wish you strength to bring you pride. Now already my life is a disaster. I am a murderer. Earlier I was a farmer. Now I have a bad name. I have earned a bad name. Now I am a killer, murderer. So don't be so. I wish you strength to bring you pride. Have a proud life. You can have a better life, good life, something that you can be proud of. I cannot be proud of my life. I am a killer, I am a murderer. So I wish you strength to be have a proud life and a love to keep you clean. Narrator is a male and he is talking to Terence. He is also a male. And the poet A.E. Housman, also a male. Right? මේ A.E. Housmanගේ තියෙනවා Shropshire Land poetry volume. මේ poetry volume එකේ එන එක poem එකක් තමයි මේ Farewell to Barn and Stack and Tree කියලා කියන්නේ. එතකොට මේ Shropshire Land කියන poetry volume එකේ එනවා fictitious character එකක් as Terence. Terence කියලා කියන්නේ fictitious character. एक real character का नेम. And A.E. Housman is known as a male man, homosexual, right? Homosexual person. So in his poetry volume he has this Terence. Critics say, people say that Housman's lover is Terence. And he has given that idea also in his poem. That the murder has happened because of Terence, the affair. He has a love to keep you clean. Right? එහෙම ආගියුමන්ට් එකක් තියෙනවා. එහෙම අයිඩියා එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒක දැනගෙන හිටියාම ඇති. නැත්තම් උතර ප්‍රශ්නයක්නේ. ඇයි මෙතන love කියන එක පාවිච්චි වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? Love to keep you clean කියලා. ඇයි පිරිමියෙකුට කියන්නේ කියලා. That idea is there. ඒක originally එන එකක්. ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් කරගන්න එපා ළමයි. අපිට කියන්න තියෙන්නේ ඒක openly කියලා නෑ poem එකේ. Right? So the reason for the murder is the conflict between brothers. එහෙම කිව්වහම ඇති. Right? It's a conflict between the two brothers. We don't know the reason. මේක ඇහුවා ඒ ඇති. ඕවා answers වල ලියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. Right? Sometimes සමහර තැන්වලදී ළමයි ලියනවා. The murder happens because of a love affair. Right? So okay. ලිව්වා කියලා වැරද්දකුත් නැහැ. That is clearly there. Right? But we don't know which kind of, but you can simply say some reason. We don't know. The conflict happens because of some reason. සමහර විට ඔය ඉඩම බෙදා ගන්න බැරුවද දන්නෙත් නැහැ. We don't know. Right? So the thing is මේක මතක තියාගන්න because of some reason. මෙතන මේ වචනේ ආපු නිසා තමයි මම ඕක explain කරේ. And allow to keep you clean and wish you luck. All the best. Come Lammerstide. Lammerstide is a harvesting festival, like our New Year. After the harvesting, right? After the harvesting season, people enjoy celebrating. That is the Lammerstide. and they play games. So someday we can meet at Lamastide, at Racing on the Green. This racing means the kart races. Kart races යන කාලෙදි මේ Lamastide festival එකේ we can meet someday. කවදා හරි දවසක ආව. Long for me the rick will wait. Rick means the bale of hay, stack of hay. පිදුරු මිටි අර roll හදලා තියෙන්නේ පිට රටවල් වල, bale of hay. Long for me, waiting for me, love for me, the rick will wait. The rick will be waiting until I come. The rick will be waiting to see me till I come. And long will stand the fold. So the fold will be waiting. Fold කියලා කියන අර බාන් එක ඇතුලේ අර බැටළුව දාලා තියන්න තියෙන බැටළු කොටු. So they will be waiting for me. දැන් මේක අනිත් පැත්තට කියන්නේ that the murderer wants to see them, wants to work with them. So he indirectly says, they will be waiting for me. And long will stand the empty plates. Where? At home. In the farm, these things will be waiting for me. And at home, there will be this on the table, the empty plates. The plates of whom? Morris and my plates. Morris's plate and my plate. The plates will be waiting empty. Why? The plates are empty. No one will serve on them. දැන් මේ plates වල කවුරුවක් බෙදාගෙන කන්න කෙනෙක් නැහැ. The plates will be empty forever. Long will wait the empty plates. Long will stand the empty plates, and the dinner will be cold. So no one will eat. තව එක්කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. Is gone, is dead. තව එක්කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. That's the mother. Dinner will be cold. Murderer will not eat. Morris cannot eat. And mother. Mother faces a very serious loss. Both sons. She is really upset. She is really worried, sad. So, she also will not eat. Because of the pain, mother will starve. Mother will go on hungry without eating. Because of the pain of loss of the two brothers, two sons. Right? She will be waiting for the two sons. So the dinner will be cold. Nobody will eat the dinner. So that's really a tragic end. So because of the killer's behavior, killer's emotion, killer's anger, everybody around him suffers. Okay? Right. That's the end. That's the end of the poem.